Abaturage Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu abaturage barebwa umurembo rwa Kasese nibazina abandi batere ngoma umukore ko kushemerwa kwabo abwenkuru nungezi zo mu district ya Kasese bayirebo ko kushemerwa kwabo aba President Museveni okoreka ikikorwa kirungi mu government ye
president for the decision that has been taken to release our king Musinga wa Omusinga wa Rwenzururu and those who were already in jail concerning the same case that had made the Musinga be held in jail for all this long time. I am thanking the president for being a parent, because all along as leaders from Kasese we have been requesting that the president should pardon our king.
As a leader in Kasese Municipal Council and Mkonjo, we are so grateful to hear good news that our king has been released. His charges has been dropped. In fact, us as the Mkonjo, Kasese municipality, in the entire district, and in the whole world at large, because Mkonjo are in different places, in the Congo, in the Cameroon, Botswana, wherever they are, we are so grateful to hear that our king has been released.
In Kasese is jubilation. Jubilation, jubilation, jubilation is what I see here. And I am glad that the people are not asking questions how, why. All they are concerned with is the freedom of our people and our king. That is what is paramount right now in Kasese. All streets of Kasese are full of dances and jubilation. We are so grateful to God and the government for doing.
Amakuraga gareta wentekateka mbantu babutosha bari kutekateka ngu Omusinga wabo nabasakurebeka ho mu district ye okorege 2026 wahererkayo.
We thank the government, most especially Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, for having that sympathy of thinking of our Konjo and releasing our king. We are so happy, we are so happy. In fact, we are hopeful that even if need be, should even come in Kasese come next week. We are so happy and we shall warmly welcome him as our king.
Safari Martini chairperson w'entebe ya Kashatu aba Central Division mu municipality ya Kasese yashaba government kombekera Omusinga enjunsia abo kubenje yabereho ekaterwa bomu.
So district we are launching in our request that the house of the king was demolished by bombs. The vehicle was shot at several times. So the vehicle is down and he has nowhere he's going to stay as he comes in terms of his residence. So we are requesting the government of Uganda to put in an effort of assuring that the king's house is constructed and the vehicles are replaced. This one will enable him to do his work as he makes mobilization for us, mobilizing the Bakonjo, mobilizing the people of Rwenzururu, and ensuring that there is peace in the area.
Ejoji yatirwe bomo government etahira Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu etahe kumirwe kurige 2016 konka bwanyuma yo kumuyaha emishango abebosere bagikumirera izoba bargaho. Amakuraga gashakwa Gerard Muhindo awa Sky TV ageshonga.